Start with Dr. Water. So, why don't you vote on the topic research funding?
The topic says, should we colonize other planet? And our answer says no, because of technological advancement and resources.
One is going to lead to environmental impact. They want to have environmental impact on the entire world. Now, we have, geography has told us that we have 8 planets, right? And all of these planets, we have different atmospheres, atmospheric conditions on different planets. So in that life colonizing other planets, we have not to do. We have, factors on the earth today that are affecting each and every one of us. We have poverty, we have inequality, we have the unethical distribution of work among people, the unethical distribution of resources among people. So we are not solving these problems. We have a lot of problems on the earth that already existing. And if we cannot solve these problems, how then are we going to colonize other planets to move there?
So you should understand that renewable water idea will come from from the other planet you go to, over the things you see over there, bring it to them here and then you create it, and it brings more creativity. So that's
the fact that you colonize another planet doesn't mean that the thinking more aspect about facing Earth will stop, right? There will still be people that will work on it, just like there are some scientists that specialize in certain area. There will also be scientists still working on it. So it's not like we are going to abandon Earth.
So one of the things that you guys were not looking at, that why I'm getting into is the advantages of colonizing another planet. You will agree that there are a whole lot of advantages that comes with colonizing another planet. So the disadvantage that comes with colonizing another planet is just a little disadvantage. Small number of disadvantages. So now, we spoke about like the bottom of Earth as a planet and going to another planet as well. So I will give you an example like France. France being a country. France have the highest amount of colony in Africa, right? But France is one of the greatest countries right now in the world. Why is that so? Do you understand from the country that France colonized, the majority of them still paying tax to France? And there are things that are happening around you for which going to affect your invasion. And when you reach a certain point of time, and then you realize that where I am now, I'm not supposed to reach it far. Okay, so
there are three core value of development, right? They get self-esteem, they got large substance, then they got freedom for servitude. Now, this is where the issue of self-esteem comes in. The first thing, as a human being, as a person, you must develop yourself first. The issue of the question is asking concerning if people in West Point, and then he's there, people hungry, and him going to school. The first thing this brother must do, he must develop himself first. In that life, this brother, once he's developed, he will be able to give back to society. It comes without argument. There's already a very situation we have on earth. We have poverty, we have inequality, the unequitable distribution of wealth on the earth. The issue of sovereignty, the issue of wealth, and so many things. Now, let's take for example, if we try to colonize our planet, the people who got stratification, social stratification, the classes of people, there will be certain people of the higher class who will want to take ownership, take sovereignty, and the same problem will continue. Let's take the issue of the team is not taking into consideration the atmospheric condition of the other planets. You got a lot to do. You got so much to do. How many of us will help able to support all of the 8 billion people that is estimated? How many of us able to afford? How many of us able to sustain ourselves when it comes to resources?
I have area that they are specialized in. So if we have water issue in, let's say on Earth, if we have water issue on Earth, there are going to be people doing research about Earth, and then there are also going to be people doing research about Mars also. So it's not going to be limited, like, it's not one person doing the research. It's not going to be one person doing the research. So Earth is not going to be abandoned.
Colonizing in Mars could be another idea, right? You go on Mars with all of these problems, you solve them, and you come back to Earth, it will also help you to solve your problem here on Earth.
The last word for you guys when you go. Do you finally concur with them, or is there still in their position? You cannot concord with them when we say we on our answer by saying no. There's no possibility. It's not necessary at all to have another planet colonized.
All of these things we are saying, right? It is just centered around one thing, the same thing. We just continue to say the same thing, right? The new invention you're talking about going on space, taking invention on there, other things. Why is it that you can't use those inventions here on Earth? Use the invention here and let's build on the already place that we think that is that is wearing away. Let's build on them rather than moving elsewhere.
All over the world, colonize, and then we went to spread back to Africa. We all learned that back in the days, Africa was colonized, was partitioned, and those who colonized Africa think that a country that is entitled to. Okay, so colonizing another planet, it does not mean that we are evaluating Earth and erase Earth completely. We are going to live even if it is possible Mars.
We